AquaDome extends from deck 14 to deck 20. It's a full geodesic dome, and it is a full neighborhood.
There are many, many wows in this ship. This is one of the biggest milestones.
We have to bear in mind that it's the largest lift ever in the shipbuilding industry.
AquaDome is a very complex structure. The surface area of the entire dome is more than 3,300 square meters. More than half of it is glass and less than half is aluminum panels.
The amazing dome consists of 12 individual modules, and those consist of steel and glass and aluminum panels. And it took like 8 months to assemble these modules.
The AquaDome was built in a different location so that they could build all of these things. At the same time, they were building the forward end of the ship. So when both those two elements were ready, you could now touch them together.
There is a spreader frame above the dome, built independently. It's been designed and built to lift this dome.
There are 54 cables which attach the dome to the spreader, and the spreader itself has 12 cables which attach it then back up to the crane with the help of the yellow beam.
There was a whole team assigned just to monitor the weather and planning this ahead of time to make sure that this was done safely. Obviously, with a high, heavy lift like this, the wind conditions are the most critical part of it.
Really incredible feat of engineering just to bring this crown on top. We didn't know if we would go and do the lift because of the wind condition. The last 6 hours is where you need to align it. That was really what took time, and even the cable was not long enough where they really needed to stretch the engineering capability of the crane and the crane operator to put it really precisely in place.
All that hard work just came together, and that's why all the tears also in my eyes and the incredible feeling that, wow, we did it together.
AquaDome will be the jewel at the front of the ship. It is experiential, it's exploratory, it is everything that we've ever wanted to create, which will feature the largest AquaTheater we've ever built. We really wanted to have an equal balance of complimentary dining and specialty dining and a few different types of bars.
And I think it's been an amazing journey for so many of the engineers and architects and designers that we were able to produce this. I mean, I think it's testimony to the innovation and creativity of the teams.
The AquaDome is probably the most complex space we have ever built. And that's a very good example of innovation, collaboration, and what it really takes. Shipbuilding is part science, it's part of process, but this big part is also art, and art is bringing all this together.